Hello my friends, it's me, Sven from the channel, of course you're knowing it, BFD Drives, and I'm here to show you something that I have actually received in December 2022, and well, as you can notice here, or maybe not because that's written in German, well, that stands Hello Sven. Enjoy your prize. I am happy that you are further watching my videos and that you are giving me a thumb up and comment. This is helping my channel, and so on and so on. And well, it is something that he has sent me already 3 years ago. 3 years. I'm really owing him this video because, well, he sent me an advent calendar and I still haven't shown it to you guys. It goes. So here we go, from December 2022. So in late October he started this giveaway because he was getting this year from the company Franzis, or at least I understood it like this. And you can see something like this. That's a fully electric car, a Porsche Taycan, and this is, well, the Porsche Adventskalender Taycan, or Adventskalender Taycan in English. Very similar, so well, our languages are also related. Anyway, so yeah, well, I have to open that, and you can see, still the foil on, so I wasn't giving it away. I wanted to open it by myself, but I've noticed that it's bigger than expected, so well, let me open it. So well, I just removed the foil, and here you can also see the back side, so there's some information, of course, in German. I also believe that I've seen this advent calendar at the Porsche Museum. Well, I was just visiting it in, when has it been? Late November, I guess. Anyway, there will be also a video about the Porsche Museum, most likely starting around February, because I'm still uploading the stuff from the Mercedes-Benz Museum. Anyway, here you can also read some information about what you can find inside. So there's a model car in scale 1:24, and you have to build it together with some parts. And there will be also a turntable, and there stands something about high quality rotating plastic base LEDs and so on. And yeah, I'm curious what I will get. Actually, I have seen it already back then in his video, and I was actually too late for the contest to win it. Or it wasn't a contest, you just had to say yes, I want to win it, and you've got it. And luckily one person missed to send him the address, and so I was lucky. And I was like, when is the deadline? Is it December 15th? And actually it has been November 15th, and yeah, here we go, it's mine now. So well, we have something here. Is it's a little booklet or something like that. Well, I have to change my lamp. So we have some information, so just to let you see if that's also interesting for you. So we have some more cool stuff, so about a Porsche. Yeah, here, let's see. Oh, that's looking amazing. I didn't see that one. It's the Mission R, and Mission E. So that's looking more likely like Taycan. So here's about some information about the safety of this car. So what else? Functions on demand. Interior design. Oh, it's also beautiful. So well, so we have some information, some cool stuff. Let me just go through a little bit faster because I also want to, I mean, this is interesting for sure, because you're also seeing some stuff. Oh, here you're also seeing about the turntable that's most likely in it. So yeah, some information about Porsche. It's the electric stuff. It's a fully electric vehicle. I believe I was already mentioning it, and here you can also see some information. So this is also about the diecast model car. And does it also have some electric stuff? I have no idea. I will find out. Sound. So that's about the day. So on day 22nd we have the sound part. Interesting. So yeah, well, so you have also this cool booklet, and yeah, that's what we are seeing here now. So here are all the little boxes, and yeah, let's try and open it without breaking it. And yeah, so I will just build up my own Taycan Turbo S. So this is actually also really interesting, because here you're seeing all the parts. We're starting with the number 1, which is this one here. And then we will continue, and we have to search where the other stuff is, number 2, number 3, and so on. And yeah, let's build it together. And I guess I will just switch on the, what is it called? The stop motion thingy. So here we have finished it, and that's how it's looking now. I can also just show you how it was looking before, so you can decide what side you prefer. But well, this side at least has no numbers, so it's of course looking better. So, and that's what it looked like before. And by the way, you can actually also put them all different, because these are only black. But of course, if you are changing it around to the other side, you will notice that something is wrong. Anyway, Porsche Taycan, very cool. So well, now let's start to build up the first stuff. I'm beginning with the poster, because this is most likely the easiest thing. So let's open it, and yeah, I hope I can open it, because sometimes I'm not brightest bulb in the universe. Most likely because I'm too stupid to feel it. Ah, no. And I'm blind. Actually, I need new glasses, but yeah. If you're also wearing glasses, you're probably knowing these glasses, especially in Germany, they're costing a fortune now. So, do I get it in it? No? Ah, yes. Here we go. We have 3, so we are putting them more the outside. Where is it? Ah, yeah. It's looking always the same. So now other one around the middle. I still don't know if this is actually working, but let's find out. So let's try and find out. I have no idea. To be honest, I have really no idea because it's still curling around, so I don't know. Maybe I have to place it somewhere like under this mat and wait for some days to let it become straight, because this is not working in this way. So, well, so finally finished and relatively easy. Well, this wheel doesn't like to roll very much. Don't know why, and I'm also not able to pull it out again. So, but yeah, well, I guess it's alright. Sometimes we are getting some models where it's not turning like crazy. It's also not this important for this scale because you're not really playing with it. It's more likely you are placing it on a shelf or into a glass box, a display box, and yeah, enjoy it. So, well, now let's put it all together on the new turntable. So my friends, finally I've put all together, and the Porsche Taycan is now here on the turntable. Let me switch it on. You also can see there's a little light. So you see it down below, it's bright. So here is the Porsche Taycan. Lovely color. It's a pale blue or light blue metallic. And the new turntable is for sure not really noisy at all. I mean, compared with the old one, which I can also just switch on. You can hear it in the background. So in this case, I must say the new one is really worth it. Is the complete package worth it? That's something you can decide by yourself, because, well, of course we have only, you can see the flimsy door, which is, yeah, unfortunately very typical for Welly. So I wasn't even better than the guys at Welly when they're putting it together, because sometimes you're also noticing that when it comes from the factory, that's looking like this. I tried it a few times to get it more fixed, but, well, yeah, what has happened is scratch, because once I was just, yeah, well, don't talk about that. This is not really making me happy that I was scratching the window anyway, or the windshield. Anyway, we have a nice model in scale 1 to 24. I mean, it's a Welly. Welly is a pretty cheap brand, so being quite honest, you can buy it fully assembled for around 25 to 29 euros at Amazon. Maybe not in this color anymore, but you can get it. The turntable, different story. I don't know where you can get this, and it's an amazing turntable. I like it. Also, of course, you're still seeing that. So it's not a perfect one, but it's nice. It's also nice to spend 5 hours to assemble all together. If it's worth 119 euros, like you're paying at the Porsche Museum, you can still get it there. Or I believe it was like 88 euros on Amazon right now, but we are in the pre-Christmas sale, so maybe after Christmas it will have a different price. Well, that's something that you will have to decide for yourself. We also have this nice boxes, which you can maybe also place in a shelf, and don't forget the cool booklet with some more information. So it's not like you're paying 119 euros just to have the fun to break your own model, your own model car. It's a little bit more than that. So yeah, if you want it or not, that's just up to you. If you like to assemble something together, I've spent around 5 hours about everything, but of course it took more than longer because I was filming and everything, and also doing the setup, and also doing my little research about how much does it cost, and so, well, anyway, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this episode, and, well, I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas or Happy Chanukah or whatever you are celebrating in your part of the world. Have an amazing time. Yeah, happy family, love, peace and everything. Oh, and I also forgot. Yeah, I also have this thing. Maybe it's meant to be like this. It's also possible. I have no idea. So, well, see you guys. Bye bye. Oh, now it's vanishing. No more Porsche. Oh.